how do you move specific videos from your iPhone to the iCloud? So let me explain it. If you are new here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. So of course, if you have the iCloud Photos backup enabled inside of the settings, when you go to your profile and check it out right there, then of course every single thing, like every photo and video, will be automatically uploaded to the iCloud. But me personally, I have it turned off because I don't really like it. So if I only want to backup or save specific things like photos or files to the iCloud, the way that I do it is that I simply change it or move it to the iCloud drive. Right, so part of the files, when I go to the locations, you can see I have the local storage, I have the Google Drive as well as the iCloud Drive and even other. And whenever I have some video in the gallery, I just open it up in the full screen, tap the share button, and when I choose the save to files, I don't have to save it to the local storage in the files app, but I can go literally to the iCloud Drive and upload it right there. So it's not going to be part of the iCloud Photos, technically, only in the iCloud Drive, but we still have it saved, it's still there and it's still backed up. So I think that this would be the quickest way and actually the best one to use it on the iPhone is if you specifically want to stick with iCloud. If you would need some other solutions, then of course you can use Google Photos or Google Drive or even other platforms. Those will perhaps suit your needs a little bit more. But yeah, that is up to you to decide. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I hope to catch you later in the next videos too.